All right. My full name is Levie Lantu, Jurgen.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I had, I guess I got this wrong, but
Yeah,
sorry
that's all
about
right.
that.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, everyone. Thank you, Jurgen, and thank you, Bomodi. I mean, it's good to be here. And I knew this WTN. I've been working with Modi since like over nearly 20 years. We've been working with tourism industry, but I've been busy moving around. But now I'm working with the Bali Convention and Exhibition Bureau, um, actually in Bali, and our tourism minister just explained that Bali will be the focus when the tourism open in Indonesia, beside Bintan Islands. So for Bali, um, it is it is a zero tourist at the moment, very challenged, but also in the same times we have to be very positive and look from different angle that this is the opportunity for tourism to prepare ourselves and get ready to bounce back. And with this COVID pandemic, it's like awakening everybody in Indonesia, especially in tourism industry, and Bali as the face of Indonesian tourism. What we do in the past year, I mean, we're still doing it, is a collaboration. I like this word collaboration, that we all working together. Um, Under Bali Tourism, we have Bali Tourism Board, which is have 20 association under Bali Tourism Board, and we have to work together with airport authority, with government, with the finance minister, with tourism minister, the full support of tourism minister. But then at the end of the day, every destination have to carry to each other and protect each other and look at what potential that we have in our hand. And we have to learn. I believe that what we've been doing in the past, maybe we have to unlearn them. We have to relearn again. There's something new, opportunity, challenge that we have to answer. So I mean, just quick, if you guys asking what's Bali's going to do, well, for Bali right now, domestic market is the key market for us, and MICE we still focus on domestic, but we collaborate with all stakeholder. And I think our tourism minister, he didn't mention earlier that actually what he did is he actually collaborate with all of department and the government, um, state-owned government companies, to have an event in Bali. I think it's going to be starting next month. So we already prepared all the packages, all of the program, um, from different government department to have an event, meeting, convention, or even conference. It can be hybrid, online, and physical. We're gonna do it, but we still have to maintain. We have a program. It's called a cleanliness, health, safety, and environmental friendly program that has to be put in a high discipline that is going to be applied in every process, starting from arrival until departure in Bali. And we've been practices in the past, I think, nearly 5 months. We've been practice this, and every business or organization in Bali, they have to get a certification to obtain this. It's a license. It's like a license. They have to obtain it. And the other interesting part is now we go back to village. So what we're doing in Bali here, just to share with all of you, that with this pandemic, it's actually give a lot of time for us to look back of what is tourism all about, why people come to Bali, why they have to come. They tourists, like most of you, we've been in Bali. I believe you attract, with Bali, some people call it a magic islands, is because people maintain their culture, their lifestyle, and they keep it. And we're going to keep doing it, and we're gonna even go back, and we're gonna make sure that we put that as a priority, which is we call it a tourist village. We're gonna develop our tourist village in our 8 regions areas in Bali, which is approximately about 104 villages. Um, So we can build not only the cleanliness, health and safety program, but also the integration on digitalization. Can be applied for payment, virtual tour, and etc. So yep, while we getting ourselves ready, I hope that I can welcome all of you in the future, either event or personally. You come to Bali, let me know. Let me Moody know. We look forward to welcome you on the islands of God's Bali. Thank you so much. Back to
Thank
you,
you.
Jurgen.
Thank you very much, Levie. And I cannot wait. I mean, in 2000, 2001, I went to Bali every month. And it was kind of my second home. I stayed at the Kulkul in
And
Faisal's
yeah,
resort, and it was wonderful memories. A lot of work, but also wonderful memories. It's a beautiful place to visit, and I know your convention facilities are absolutely fantastic. And I know with the reopening of the outside, I cannot remember the name of the outside facilities you just did. I can't wait to see it.
yeah, I agree with you totally. Totally agree with you, Thomas. Actually, I'm physically actually not in Bali, Thomas, because of the Jurgen, because of this pandemic. I get stuck in Australia, so I cannot go back to Bali. So you can see how bad I am that I want to go back to Bali. It's
Well,
nearly a year.
well, we all see the end of the light. We see the light at the end of the tunnel. I mean, the vaccine is out, and that's what we have been waiting for. I think the whole world is waiting for. And let's work to this and make it a better tourism world after this. And we're all going to be
Yes.
smiling again and smiling together at one of
Yeah.
your conventions in Bali. And
Yeah.
thank you very
Thank you.
much.